Hello, Paul again here from EMD Motorsport at Caringbah. Today we have a 718. We've done some cooling system repair, so we had to remove the coolant hoses and drain the coolant, and we have to put fresh coolant. And on the Porsche, you've got to use a scan tool to actually to bleed the actual cooling system. On the normal Porsche, like a Panamera or Macan, there's a little valve, the bleeder valve's on top, and I'll show you what I mean. There's the bleeder valve here. You just got to open that before you do your lock it straight before you actually do your bleeding. But on the 718, for some reason, Porsche engineer in Germany wants to hide the little bleeder valve. So if you're looking for it on this side here, there's nothing here, and if you want to open that up, there's nothing there. And if you want to look underneath the car, there's nothing there at all. Nothing. Alright, I want to show you where the bleeder valve is. So if you're working on a Porsche 718, you need to open it while you're bleeding the system. And it's in the engine bay. Cover this up so I don't scratch it. Have a look where it is. Alright, let's go in there. There it is. There's your coolant bleeder valve right on that, between the airbox and the actual, right in the middle of the engine actually. It's three-way, just like the Macan. That's the same one from the Macan, Porsche Macan. Alright, so there it is. That will save you a lot of time looking in the Porsche manual. Just look for the bleeder valve on the Porsche 718, they're all there. Okay, this car's all done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.